feel lost and confused, I've been around, I've played the fool. I gotta find a way. This time the pressure's on. Concede a goal, my friend is gone. Life ain't what it used to be. It's such a terrible thing when you feel life ain't worth the living and you're just treading water. But this time I must be strong. Read the signs, find my way home from the edge of the border. Heaven knows what life may bring. There could be blue skies through the rain, and I know I must find my way. So come on, help me to release my soul today. Won't you help me through this pain? It cuts like a knife, burns like acid rain. Come on, help me to release my soul. But nobody knows which way or which road to go. Help me, Lord, Lord. From all this pain, what could be found? I cried my tears into the ground. Angel, won't you save me? Have the seeds of hope been sown? Under feet the grass has grown. Still I stand here feeling empty. I've been living the